Joy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is whenever sun goes to a particular house into your natal chart, then what type of result you will get from that. We will discuss about that briefly. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from this channel. And if you found this video informative, then please hit the like button, also comment below and also share this video with all the astrology lovers. If you want to take any personal consultation from me, then please go to the description section. You will get all the details from there. Okay? So now without wasting any time, let's start. If sun is present in your first house, then it basically indicates that you must be born in early morning. This position of sun is very much considered auspicious because it helps a native to become more independent. He or she will not like any kind of dependency. There will be an immense charm present into their personality that will attract many people towards them. There will be an inborn leadership quality into them. They will achieve higher position, higher authoritative position into their personal life. It will help them to achieve name, fame, status, reputation into the society. These people are very much goal-oriented people and energetic people as well. But they need to control their anger because sun in the first house increases their anger. They are kind of hot-tempered people, so they have to take care about that. Their hair quality will be very thin, or some eye-related diseases may arise into latter stage of life. So they have to take care about that also. If sun is in your second house, then it basically indicates that your main inclination and interest will go towards materialistic things and financial things. You will work hard to earn more money because only then you will feel secure and independent. Your voice will be very heavy. But if sun gets afflicted here, then your speech will be kind of harsh as well. So you have to take care about that. Family relations also get affected from this type of placement of sun. If sun is in your third house, then it basically indicates that you are a very much courageous person and you will work hard and put all your efforts into your work, okay, into your profession. You will have a curiosity to learn things around you, okay, and this is a good placement to become an editor, publisher. If sun is in your third house, then it basically indicates that you will communicate very confidently with other people. So any type of communication related work will be good for you. This also indicates that you love to travel, especially short journeys, short travels. You will enjoy that type of travels. If sun is in your fourth house, then it basically indicates that your inclination will mainly go towards your home life, your mother, your homeland, and you will try to protect your home. But in this case, the early stage of life will not be very much smooth, and very much troubles will be involved into your early stage of life. You will get success slowly and especially delay success is indicated here. If sun is in your fourth house, then it basically indicates that you will only feel relaxed whenever you are in deep sleep because you must be born in midnight hours, okay? This type of placement is not very much good to get happiness from home, from mother, and it will create a bad impact on your mental peace as well. Some heart related diseases has also indicated here. So you have to take care about that. If sun is in your fifth house, then it basically indicates that from the time of your birth, huge progress started in your family. You will get happiness from your father. This is a very much good placement for sun because it will help you to enhance your creativity skills and you will love to perform in front of others. It will also help you in your higher education or academic fields. You will excel in creativity field, or higher education means academic fields. You will love to talk about politics, creativity things, etc. If Sun is in your 6th house, then it basically indicates that this type of people are very much service oriented people. They will do their work with 100% sincerity and will do their work in a perfect way. They can be in a medical field or law related field also. They will get appreciation from their colleagues for their hard work. They will win over their enemies. But in this case, expenditure will be high, so you have to take care about that. If Sun is in your 7th house, then it basically indicates that you will feel relaxed with your friends or your spouse. You must be born around sunset. If Sun is in your 7th house, then it is very much good placement for your name, reputation, confidence level, popularity. It will give you all that. But married life will suffer somehow. Especially if Sun gets afflicted here, then delay marriage also shown. Your spouse may be kind of dominating, or you will try to dominate him or her. There will be kind of ego battles into that relationship. Otherwise, it is a good placement for professional life. If Sun goes to the 8th house, then it basically indicates that you will love to do research about the dark side of life, means hidden sides of life, occult, astrology, this type of things you will love to research about that. So you can become a very good astrologer or detective, spy. This type of jobs will be suitable for you. You will handle any kind of confidential informations very well. So you can work in income tax department as well. Your soul will go through many kind of transformations, because 8th house is the house of transformation. And relationship with father will also go through transformations. If Sun is in your 8th house, then relationship with in-laws may suffer. And some eye-related diseases or problems may arise into latter stage of life, so you have to take care about that. If Sun is in your 9th house, then it basically indicates that teaching of your father or gurus will help you to shape your confidence level, to shape your personality. Your self-identity is very much dependent on teaching from your father or gurus. You can become a very good professor or a lawyer. You have inclination towards religious things as well. So you can become a religious teacher or guru as well. Religious travels can also seen from this type of placement of Sun. And you love to explore new cultures. You want to know about different traditions, different cultures. Okay. Now if Sun goes to the 10th house, then it is a very good placement for your career. You will be a goal-oriented person and you will work hard to achieve your goal, and you will also get success. You will achieve a higher authoritative position into your workplace. There will be a very good leadership skill present into your personality. You can become a very good politician, or you will do some kind of work for society or mankind. If Sun is in your 11th house, then it is also very good placement for your income. It will enhance your income, your gains. It will help you to fulfill your desires. There will be a large network circle or friend circle who will mostly belong to the higher status or higher authoritative position. So you will get help from them also. If Sun goes to the 12th house, then it basically indicates that you will love to work in a peaceful environment. You don't like publicity at all. You can go to foreign lands as well for professional purpose or some kind of foreign settlement can also seen from here. Your inclination will be more towards spirituality. You will win over your enemies, but your expenditures will be high, so you have to take care about that. Okay, so yeah, this is my prediction about sun's placement in different houses in a particular natal chart. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.